Hello everyone. So to solve this error while importing the Kali Linux image to VirtualBox, what we need to do, the idea is we need to decompress the image file to get the virtual disk file. Then we are going to create a virtual machine from scratch in the VirtualBox application, and I will show you that step by step. Then we will import the virtual hard disk from the decompressed image to the newly created virtual machine, and it will work fine. So I close this and I go to the downloads, this one. If you have the normal WinRAR application, this doesn't support the OVA file or the OVA extensions. OVA means Open Virtual Appliance. So this needs a special compressing application to be able to decompress it. That application called 7Z, and I'm going to show you how to download it and use it. Go to Google Chrome again, just type 7Z, this one, 7zip, and choose the one suitable for your system, whether it's 32 and 64-bit. For me it's 64-bit, and it will start downloading. It's very small application, it's just 1 MB size. After the download is completed, just one click, choose yes, install, and that's it. Now if you go back to the download folder, right click on the OVA file, the Kali Linux image, choose 7zip, extract here. Just you need to monitor this compressed size until it reaches 3 GB, and then the decompress process will be finished. Even if you got this unexpected end of data, that's fine, there is no issue. And if you noticed here, it was only OVA file, now we have OVF and VMDK, and this is the virtual machine disk format which we are searching for. Once this is completed, it should be 33143. Just we need to click close, and we'll go again to the VirtualBox and create a new machine. Just give any name, your name or Linux name or anything. Choose the directory which you want to save this virtual machine. Here we are now creating a virtual machine. So as I said, I always prefer to keep it in any drive other than C drive. The type it's Linux, we have many others, and the version is DPN 64-bit. For me it's 64-bit, for you it may be 32. So I'll choose 64, we'll change it, I put it in D, next, just choose 2 GB, 1 GB, as you wish. My recommendation is to have 2 GB RAM, 2048 MB. For the hard disk, we need to attach the VMDK file which we decompress from the OVA file. So just use an existing virtual hard disk file, click here, add, just select your file, press open, choose, and create. And now our virtual machine is ready, and that error has gone. If we click start, our virtual machine should start normally, and our Linux operating system should also start.